go. I could go. When I call your name, shakara for me. Today we headed to Shanghai for the dragon boat competition.
This is Savvy. This is Pressure. Hi. Oh my goodness, guys. And it's remaining. Where's Gogo? Where's Gogo? Hey guys, this is Gogo. You don't look excited. Are you fine? Madukwe, Oluwa, Joy is come. Every the world. Excuse. Guys, so we're currently heading to. Yeah, that's right. That's our coach.
Windbreakers! Yeah!
Okay. So we're currently heading to the place where the competition is going to hold, and yeah, I actually do hope you guys enjoy this video because I don't know, it's just so fun. And I mean, it's Shanghai, yay! So after the competition we're going to have more than enough time. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. We're going to have more than enough time to go around, take pictures. And make fun. Sorry. Guys, it's windy out here. We're still on our way. That's Savvy. So, wow, guys, Shanghai is so beautiful. And that is my people, y'all. There are other teams, other people from different countries, other teams, other university students. And
Presenting myself.
So guys, I'm trying turmeric rice for the first time. This is what it looks like. The name is Uliogala. I don't know what that is, but okay, let's try it. Okay. It's not something that you just like take a whole chunk into your mouth. So, but yeah. You guys are shaking this table a whole lot. Ready? Say hi. Okay, ready, go. Okay, so guys, Ruan and I are actually on our way to the bus, and he is going to take like half an hour nap. Yeah, half an hour nap, because the competition will start like maybe in 45 minutes or so, thereabouts. 45 to
yeah, about an hour and a half.
So, well, see you guys at the competition. So we're actually getting ready, guys. Move, Jayo.
Let's go.
We've got this.
Jayo. Yeah.
Woo! Oh, Sudhi, Dasha, okay?
I do go. I could go. When I call your name, shakara for me.
Hey.
Roma. I won't be your Romeo. You go be my Julie.
Guys, can you see our flag?
that, okay?
Okay,
Whoa.
okay.
Relax, relax.
Yeah. Okay.
We're almost.
Hi. How do you guys feel?
Video would have been great.
How do you feel, Prajul?
I feel like I could have like done it like much more better.
That's how we feel. Fast and wet.
Okay, how do you feel?
We were really good in the beginning, but in the end we got really slow because of the beat. But well, a win is a win.
Yes. Oh my God, group photo, group photo, group photo. How do you feel?
Not enough words. Not enough words.
We did it, bro. We did it first time.
This says everything.
Wow, this is evidence of success. So guys, we're currently done with the first round and we made it to the top 10. We actually came second. Sujo Dashre came second. And right now we're currently just walking around because we have like two more teams. About three more teams that will race. And after the race, then we'll get to do the finals. That is like the finale. So guys, we're currently resting. Yeah. Okay.